Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pranjal Bhardwaj. So for today's video, we are gonna be doing a baddie makeup tutorial, and I am going to talk a lot of shit in this video because I have nothing else to do. So let's begin. So this is going to be the step-by-step guide to your baddie makeup look, and let's begin. So this is my makeup kit. Yeah, it's huge, it's pretty, and most of the products in this kit was gotten to me by my brother from the US, and I'm just so grateful for him. So let's start. One thing that I want to convey in this video, that I have done my base. I took a shower, I washed my face, I used this moisturizer which is from Bath and Body Works, which is bourbon, strawberry and vanilla, and you can see it is almost over. And for my lips, for the moisturization, I use Vaseline. So this is like my base, which is like, this is not even a base, this is like the basic thing that I do daily for my skin. So moisturization is already done when I took my shower, and currently it is almost 12 p.m. So yes, let's begin. First here I'm using is the e.l.f. Grip Queen Primer, and this works wonder because it makes your base look so flawless. You guys will see. This is so pretty, you guys. Let's start with the base. We have taken a little bit of primer. We'll apply it by doing it dot dot on our skin. Yeah, primer is not even visible on your skin, but never mind. I have to get a mirror, wait. Literally look at this, what I found. Yeah, it is very small. I know I can't find my mirror and I'm so pissed, but no. This video is already... I'm so irritated right now, but yeah, I don't have to get irritated at all. So primer is done now. Not an option. I look like a piece of shit, but yeah, never mind. Do I look bald? I'm not, you guys, trust me. I hate my hair sometimes. They're not behaving right now and I hate that. We keep our hair like this. Never mind, I'm just irritated right now. But yes. Hello Glow Liquid Filter, which is from e.l.f. and trust me you guys, this product is a game changer. I'll just show you guys. I haven't opened it till now. I am opening it right now, as you can see the packaging. And so this is the e.l.f. You can literally just use a normal foundation according to your shade. I have this foundation which is from Maybelline, the Fit Me foundation. I use this often as well, but today we are doing a baddie makeup, so we need to use this. I just randomly applied it everywhere. Now the next step is concealer. So I use this Lakme ka concealer. So we are gonna apply it under our eyes, here, 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 like this, making a 3, like this, like you get it, here, also here. Yeah, I look like a ghost right now, but you just have to blend all this up. Blending brush, also from e.l.f. and we are going to blend all of this. You can see that your face is already elevated. I know it looks like that my face is tanned, but trust the progress. Now when we are done with that, we are going to take a little bit of this foundation. As it is lighter from my shade, we are going to take it very little. That's it, like it is a lot, but we are going to take our index finger, dot it. And now we have to blend all this. Do you all see the base? My face is literally glowing right now. So now it's time for us to do my brows. So one thing that I need to tell you guys, that I have never gotten my eyebrows done. Never ever. Because I mean, I am 18 years old. I obviously can get my eyebrows done, but I haven't till now, and I think that is totally okay. So we are taking this eyebrow duo brush, which is also from ELF, and we're gonna do my brows. I have shaped them. Now we'll take my mascara. No, we are not applying mascara right now, don't worry. We are just going to open it. We are going to take a little bit from here on the second part of the brush, and now we're gonna apply it on my brows. So they will look like they have been done by the parlor wali didi, but no, I am the parlor wali didi. My brows are done. Now it's time to do our eye makeup, which is a very important step in your baddie makeup look. I have this eyeshadow palette from NYX, and also this eyeshadow palette, which God knows I got it from where, because I actually don't remember it. I think I went with my mother one day to a shop and then I bought this. I don't know, but it is really helpful. It had two blush wale part and one highlighter, which is almost gone. But let's start with the eye makeup. Also a blending brush for eyes. We are gonna take this shade and then blend it together, then use the brown or the black to at the ends, because it creates an illusion and it makes your eyes look pretty, and also you look like a baddie. So yes, let's go ahead with the eyeshadow. One thing about me is that whenever I try to apply the eyeshadow with my brush, I just can't. So I think I use my fingers only, and it is a bad habit that I apply eyeshadow from my fingers only. But yeah, never mind. So we're gonna take this shade first and apply it on the inner corners of our eyes. Can you all see that? Yeah. We have to apply it very less. Now we're gonna take it again and apply it on this side. Now that we are done with that, we're gonna take this shade and apply it beside where we applied the lighter eyeshadow. It gives a smooth finish. Like you can see this illusion that has been created. This is one shade and this is one shade. We're gonna repeat it on here. Now that we are done with this, we are gonna take just a slight bit of golden eyeshadow. I am obsessed with golden color on my eyes. So now that we have done this, we are gonna apply it just here, the golden, and then here the brown or the black. I hope you guys understand what I mean. Why I told you guys to take these three colors, because this color really complement each other, which creates an illusion that the lightest shade is on the inner part of the eye and the darkest at the outer part of the eye. You guys know what I mean. Now that this is done, we are going to take the brown eyeshadow. We're going to take it a little on the brush and we're going to apply it at the outer parts of our eye. Now do you guys see the illusion that I've created? It stretches your eyes out. Can you all see the difference? Yeah. Can you all see that? Yeah, my dark circles are so bad, but can you all see this? So this is done. I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of kajal, just a little bit. I do have an eyeliner, but I just hate eyeliners for a reason. I don't know. I have never had a good relationship with eyeliners. So we're just gonna take my kajal. Wait, I don't have it here. I'm gonna bring it now. I do apply my kajal from this eyeliner pencil from MAC. So let's do this. We are just going to apply it a little bit on the waterline. That's it, not beneath that. Can you all see that? I did that. Yeah, I'm not crying. It's just the kajal. Yeah, that's it. Now we're gonna take my concealer because एक तो मेरी आई शेडो नीचे लग गई. Can you guys see this? Now our eyes are almost done. We are going to take a mascara. I use this Sky High Maybelline wala mascara. I already have gotten the new one. कि जैसे ही खत्म होगा I'll move on to this. I love this mascara. Like I love this mascara. It is so good. Can you all literally see the difference between my eyelashes? This one is with the mascara and this one is not. Can you all see that? No way. Now we're gonna apply some blush. I think most of my products are from ELF only. This blush is also from ELF, but I also use the blush that I showed you guys from this palette. So I think we're gonna use this one today. We're gonna take my pointed powder brush from ELF only. I actually have blush blindness, so just wait. Just don't go ahead and tell me in the comments that my cheeks look like monkey's butt, because they actually do. I think my blush is good to go now. We're gonna take this highlighter, जो कि almost खत्म हो गया है. We're gonna take this brush, which is the wide tapered brush from ELF only. Yeah, all of my brushes are from ELF. We are gonna apply it on my nose like this. That is too much, but yeah, apply it here. Now wait, we are gonna take a little bit of highlighter from our pinky finger and we are gonna apply it in the center of our eyes. It will elevate your look. Just wait. Did the same here, and now you can see my eyes have been elevated, girls. And yes, your eyes are so pretty now. Time for the lip combo. I have two lip liners. First is this one from Lakme, which is in the 03 Cocoa Fudge shade, and this one is from Swiss Beauty and it is in the shade Dark Chocolate 12. I think we are going to use this one today because we are doing a baddie makeup. The outline should be very thin. Just like that. You all can see that the lip liner is very thin. Now we just have to take this finger, blend in the lip liner a little. Now we're gonna take a lip gloss. You can take any lip gloss. I have so many lip gloss, you guys. You all can literally see how much lip gloss I have. Today we are going to take the Mars one because this one is really great. Just like that. It looks really pretty. One step that is missing is that we're gonna take the highlighter. I like to shimmer. Then take it a little on a finger. Just like that. Setting powder from Laura Mercier, and let's go. The angle brush. So I think we'll take this. We'll take a little bit of product in this brush. Just like that. We're gonna apply it everywhere on our face except our lips and our eyes. It's time to remove this. Can you all see that? I have these fake nose rings. One is silver and one is golden. I think I ordered it last year from Amazon only. I'm gonna take the golden one and apply it. I'll instantly feel like a baddie. I love nose rings, you guys, but my mom and dad would not allow me to get a piercing, so I'll use the fake one. We just have to open it a little bit and this is the nose ring. It is of no harm, you guys. You all can literally buy it. If I find it, I'll link it down below. That is our final look. Our makeup is done. I'll just give you guys some beauty shots of my makeup.
Order my food. Let's stay up all night. Let's pretend we're alright in the drive-thru. I'm in love with you. Now I know what I should do.
And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more such makeup tutorials, you can comment down in the comment section. I can also make a desi makeup tutorial as well if you guys want me to. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.